Hello, this is Renuka. Welcome to Dictogloss English classes. In today's video, we'll be covering letter to the editor. We all write letters in our daily life. We write informal letters. These are the letters that we write to our relatives, friends, acquaintances. We write formal letters. These are the letters we write while seeking a job, making an inquiry, or making a complaint. Since each type of formal letter is written for a different purpose, its content varies according to the purpose for which it is being written. The format is more or less the same. Letter to the editor, as the name suggests, it's a letter written to the editor of a newspaper or a magazine. It is a formal letter. It is usually written to raise awareness about a social issue. It can be written in order to get it published in the medium. The language of letter to the editor should be formal, to the point. Avoid using slangs in the language. You can mention the personal efforts made to rectify the problem, and you can also mention the actions that have been taken or not taken by the concerned authorities. Please do not ask the editor to resolve your problem. He cannot take any action. Let's understand the format of the letter. We begin it with the sender's address, which should be written in 3 lines. Then we leave a line, write the date, again leave a line, write the receiver's designation in 1 line, followed by 3 lines for the address. Again we leave a line, then we write salutation, sir or ma'am. Then subject should be underlined. Body, the content, it should be divided in 3 paragraphs. First paragraph should mention the introduction, who is writing and the purpose of writing, and the concern should be mentioned. In paragraph 2, we can discuss the causes and the effects. Minimum 2 causes and 2 effects should be covered in this paragraph. In paragraph 3, we should mention the solution and the requesting the concerned authorities to take immediate action. Then we end it with a polite complimentary close. Then signature, name of the sender should be in capital letters within brackets. Before we try and understand letter to the editor with the help of an example, few tips before you start writing letter to the editor. Always draw a margin for the rough space on the right hand side of your answer sheet. Write down all the value points that you will be covering for paragraph 1, 2 and 3. Then organize these points and then start writing your letter to avoid any cutting in your main answer sheet. Now let's read the question. Write a letter to the editor of the daily, The New Indian Express, about rash and reckless driving, suggesting preventive measures. You are Naveen or Neha, living at B47 Friends Colony, New Delhi. This is how a written letter to the editor would look like. We begin letter to the editor with the sender's address in 3 lines. Then we leave a line, mention the date, again leave a line, then the receiver's designation and address, followed by, again leave a line, followed by salutation, and then subject. Subject should be underlined. Now let's discuss the content of the letter. First paragraph, which is an introductory paragraph. We can begin it through the columns of your esteemed daily. I wish to bring to your notice the increasing incidence of rash driving in our area. It is a matter of utmost concern. Then we come to the second paragraph, which mentions the causes and effects. Two causes and two effects should be mentioned. Over the time, the number of vehicles on the road has increased many folds. Bicycles, motorcycles, scooters have been replaced by cars. The increase have even led to parking crunch. The infrastructure does not cater to the present scenario. The roads are narrow. At some places, the pavement dwellers have even encroached the roads, causing bottlenecks for the traffic. The more number of cars and the increase in population has led to increase in the cases of road rage. It appears as if everyone is competing against other in order to reach the destination. In the third paragraph, we try and give some solutions. I believe that strict action need to be taken to handle the situation. Firstly, the roads be cleared of all the encroachments. Secondly, the reckless driver should be fined and strictly dealt with. I sincerely hope that the concerned authorities will understand the plight of the common man and take necessary action. Then we end it with a complimentary close, thanking you, yours truly, signature and the name of the person in capital letters within the brackets. I hope how to write a letter to the editor is clear to you all, and you all will be able to write it confidently in your examination. If you have found my video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe it, press the bell icon for the next notification, and do share it with your friends. Thank you.